Hello my friends and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to talk about the Trak Racer SA12. Trak Racer is one of those companies that really acknowledge the importance of aesthetics in a seat and in a rig. They designed this seat to be a bit different. It looks very modern. The different color also is something I can very much appreciate. And it is also appreciated by the public because I had an overwhelming number of reactions when I first posted the photos that I took at the Sim Racing Expo in Dortmund of the TR40S. It had this seat on it and it really got a lot of reactions from the public. It weighs 18 kilograms, so this makes it really a very heavy seat. I think it is the most heavy seat that I had in my garage so far. When they ship it, it is in two parts, and when you put the two parts together, you really have an absolute unit of a seat. Made out of fiberglass, very sturdy. On the fiberglass, they have the patches, the Velcro patches on which you attach the rubber padding. Something that I really want to point out also for build quality is the paint that they used on this seat. It is a very glossy, shiny paint, a very thick paint also. I know I had some criticism about paint on hardware in the past, but this one very immaculate paint that they used, very expensive I think also to put it on it. So build quality is really top for this seat. So I don't have that much of experience with bucket seats. I drove some Sparco and OMP, but the lower end ones. The difference between those seats and this one is that they felt more snug when I sat in them. Of course, I know that you have different sizes and shapes for those bucket seats of Sparco and OMP. And you only have one size for the Trak Racer. Now, is this a problem? No, because Trak Racer will bring out the inner cushioning in different thicknesses so that you can make it as snug as you possibly want. Of course, this is all preference. I like it to have a bit of more room for my shoulders and my bottom because I'm used to driving with recliners, but I know a lot of guys out there, you prefer to just be a bit tighter in the seat, which is also good. This seat is also very suitable for a bit of larger frame people like myself. Another difference would be that I'm at 90 minutes in the seat at this moment and my back still feels relatively dry, and this is good, because with the other bucket seats my back was really very sweaty. It is because of the design that they implemented on the cushioning with the spaces between the cushions so that your back can breathe a bit more. So it not only looks super cool, but it is functional also. When it comes to comfort, these bucket seats are not supposed to be the most comfortable. If you really want comfort, I think it is better that you go with a decent recliner seat. But I have to say that, yeah, like I said, 90 minutes in it, I don't have any issues at this moment with my back, my lower back, or my butt. All feels in very good condition. Now, if you are a person that has that prefers to sit a bit softer, Trak Racer has you covered with this extra pillow that they put in the package. Now for me it doesn't help that much because, or it will help, but I already am well off in the cushion division with my natural matter. So yeah, but it is there. That's something to remember. It's also very solid, this seat. That doesn't move a bit. Yeah, like I said, I am a bit short of experience with bucket seats, but there's not really something that I can complain about while driving with this seat for a long time. Something which I have noticed during the years that I already do reviews, when I receive a bucket seat, I can usually tell if the owner has a pet or not. Pets, for some reason, are really drawn to bucket seats because they're nice and comfy, and the hairs that they shed, they stay in the fabric. And this is something with the SA12 which I don't have any issues with. It is very easy to clean. You just take off all the cushions and you can completely clean it like this. Very maintenance friendly. So I think that for this, I think I should also commend Trak Racer to bring out a design like this. Trak Racer is a global player and they deliver really to a lot of countries. You have Australia, New Zealand, you have Europe, there is South America, the US, and there is the hopefully never 51st state of the US, Canada. The price is €369 just for the seat, but you will also need some brackets to put it on your rig. If you buy it in a package with the brackets, it's €399. What I would have as a comment for the seat is the same comment that I have for every review that I make for Trak Racer material. They are already very strong with the colors, but add some filler extrusions for your profiles in the same gray as you have this seat in. It would really help people make a very aesthetically pleasing sim rig. If I could really go wild for colors, I would even suggest customizing the colors of the cushions. Perhaps not all of them, but the 3 top ones would already be very interesting if they could be replaced. I could really see a lot of professional drivers wanting to represent the color of their flags on their seat. Feel free to leave a remark on this or any other aspect of the seat in the comment section of this video. A conclusion for this seat would be that once again I am happy to see a company innovate. Trak Racer made a very interesting and modern design for the SA12 and tackled some real-life issues with it. It is very comfortable, but also makes you sweat less and is easy to clean in case of accidents or pets with sim racing ambitions. It is also more ecologic, since having a damaged cushion doesn't mean a complete renewing of the upholstery of your seat. The shell of the seat is durable and made to last, and so is the beautiful smooth paint on it. In all, I am impressed with the seat and I have very high hopes that they will innovate their recliner seat with as much care as they did with the SA12. Thank you all for watching. I hope you had something from this video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you want to see more videos. If you buy new hardware, please use an affiliate link of a content creator. It gives us a tip when you buy, and I will see you all next video. Bye bye.